दाबलाय अब
दबाओ वीडियो में रखिए
Honorable Chief Guest, Honorable Principal of HS High School, Kanyakumar, scholar teachers and dear students and smart students and girls, boys and girls. Now we are happy to celebrate annual special program water conservation and tree plantation, which are very important for us and our country and our nation and this world. I think this program has been organized by me, but this is a special program of our school, for our country, for our society. Every student must encourage, every student must care for their future. This program is special for every person of this world, every person of this universe. Now, the dream project of our country is water conservation and tree plantation. Awake students, awake our society. Now, every person know what is the importance of this conservation of water conservation and tree plantation. Here we see objectives. Every project has its special objectives. This theme related with water conservation and tree plantation, which are very important for our society, for our ecosystem, for our nation, and for all over India and all over the world. So, first thing we have save water and save life and grow tree plantation. As you know, sir, save water is very important thing in this world. This is special characteristics of water. We cannot survive without water. We can survive with oxygen, but we need this oxygen have been created, have been produced by plants. So every student, every society, every person must be care for our environment. So I think this is very important for everybody. So this thing, how shall I conserve water? How shall prepare? How shall plant tree plantation for our society? So save water is very important for every person of this universe, for every person of the world. I think grow tree plantation, how these plantations and water are related to each other. Here we see grow tree plantation are very necessary for every students, for every nation, for every society. So we must care our future. We must care our life. But how can we minimize this? How can we manage these systems? At first, every scientist, every human, every people must need to save water. He must save water. He must grow tree plantation. Then this is message for you, not only. This is message for all over India, all over world, all over nation, all over society. So I kindly request all of you students, please maintain your education. How will you maintain this? You must care your society. You must grow tree plantation in your society. Then this theme of our country is very necessary. So you should try to put your hand. You should grow up. You should awake. Then you can do it. So when shall our country develop? This is big question for us. Every student, every person, every society, every school, every college, every leaders must care for this and access for save water. Save water is very important thing. Save life and grow tree plantation. Because we have not too much time to explain this topic. Now, this education is very important for everybody. Thank you. Thank you very much. Our chief guest. Thank you, our honorable principal, Sri Manoj Kumar sir, and Mandal Sachiv, Sub-Divisional Secretary of Teachers Association, Mr. Sri Ashok Kumar sir, and our school secretary, Sri Rajesh Kumar Das sir, and our smart students and all students must care. Thank you. I would like to thank honorable chief guest and all students of this school and all students who have not appeared in this function. I must inspire him. You must also inspire this project, water conservation and tree plantation. These are big themes of this world. So every student, every teacher, every person must awake. If trees are present here, then we can survive. So every student must plant tree to grow tree. These factors will create good environment. Due to this, we can get oxygen from plants. We can get many products from tree. So I think all students are very important for us, for our society, for our country. Thank you very much.